welcome guys to today's video. And in today's video we are going to see top 10 richest cities of India. So let's start. Number 1, Mumbai. Mumbai have a total GDP of 300 billion US dollars. Mumbai is the financial capital of India and the state of Maharashtra and the capital of Maharashtra. In Mumbai, all the Bollywood stars and the businessmen people of India lives. With a population of 2.4 crores 2021, Mayor of Mumbai is Kishori Petnikar. As you can see, this is the gateway of India. Okay, let's move ahead to next. The next is Delhi with a total GDP of 293.6 billion US dollars. Delhi is the capital of India and where the president and the prime minister live. Delhi was the first to have airport express in India. Delhi International Airport is the Asia's 6th and world's 12th most busiest airports in the world. Delhi have a population of 3.5 crores. CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. You can see, so this is the gate of India. Okay, let's move on to next. Third is Kolkata with a total GDP of 150.1 billion US dollars. Kolkata is the capital of Indian state West Bengal, located on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River. The river is at approximately 80 kilometers west of the border with Bangladesh. It is the primary business, commercial and financial hub of eastern India and according to the main port of communication for northeast India. According to the 2011 Indian census, Kolkata is the 7th most populous city in India with a population of 4.5 million residents within the city limits and a population over 40.1 million residents in the Kolkata metropolitan area, making it the third most populous metropolitan area in India. The port of Kolkata is the oldest operating port and the sole major river port. Mayor of Kolkata is Firoz Hakim. As you can see, Victoria Memorial. Next is Bangalore. Bangalore is having a GDP of 110 billion US dollars. Bangalore, officially known as Bangalore, is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state Karnataka. It has a population of more than 8 million and the metropolitan population around 11 million, making it the third most populous city and fifth most populous urban agglomeration in India. Located in southern India on the Deccan Plateau at a height of 900 meters above sea level. Bangalore is known for its pleasant climate throughout the year. Its elevation is the highest among the major cities in India. Mayor of Bangalore is M. Gautam Kumar. Can you see, this is the Bangalore Palace. Next is Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Indian state Tamil Nadu, located on the Coromandel Coast Bay of Bengal. It is one of the largest cultural, economic and educational centers of South India. According to the 2011 Indian census, it is the 6th most populous city in India and 4th most populous urban agglomeration in India. The city, together with adjoining regions, constitutes the Chennai metropolitan area, which is the 36th urban area by the world by population in the world, the traditional and de facto gateway of South India. Chennai is among the most visited cities by foreigner tourists, ranked 43rd visited city for 2015. The quality of living survey rated Chennai as the safest city in India. Chennai attracts 45% of health tourists visiting India and 30 to 40 percent of domestic health tourists. As such, it is termed India's health capital. Chennai has the fifth largest urban economy of India. Mayor of Chennai is Saidai Durasamy. As you can see, this is the Chennai railway station. Let's move ahead to Hyderabad. At number 6 is Hyderabad. Total GDP nominal of 75.6 billion US dollars. Hyderabad is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state of Telangana and the de jure capital of Andhra Pradesh. It occupies 650 square kilometers on the Deccan Plateau along the banks of the subsidiary of the Musi River in the northern part of South India with an average altitude of 542 meters. Much of Hyderabad is situated on hilly terrain around artificial lakes, including the Hussain Sagar Lake, predicting the city's founding in the north of the city center. According to the 2011 census, Hyderabad is the fourth most populous city in India. Population of 6.9 million residents within the city limits and has a population of 9.7 million residents in the metropolitan region, making it the sixth most populous metropolitan area in India with output of US dollars 74 billion. Hyderabad has the fifth largest urban economy in India. Mayor of Hyderabad is Gadwal Vijay Lakshmi. As you can see, this is the Charminar. Next is Pune. Pune has a normal GDP nominal of 69 billion US dollars. Pune, known as Pune until 1978, is the second largest metropolitan city in the Indian state Maharashtra and the eighth most populous city in India with an estimated population of 7.4 million as of 2020. It has been ranked the most livable city in India several times along the municipal corporation limits PCMC and the three cantonment towns of Camp Khadki and Dehu Road. Pune forms the urban core of eponymous Pune metropolitan region. According to the 2011 census, the urban area had a combined population of 5.05 million, whilst the population of the metropolitan region was estimated at 7.4 million, situated 560 meters above the sea level on the Deccan Plateau on the right bank of Mutha River. Pune is also the administrative headquarters of its namesake district. Mayor of Pune is Muralidhar Mohol. This is the Shaniwar Wada in Pune. Okay, number 8, Ahmedabad. GDP nominal of 68 billion US dollars. Ahmedabad is the most populous city in India, in the Indian state of Gujarat. It is the administrative headquarters of the Ahmedabad district and the seat of Gujarat High Court. Ahmedabad's population of 56,33,927 makes it the fifth most populous city in India and encompassing urban agglomeration population estimated at 63,57,693 is the seventh most populous city in India. Ahmedabad is located near Sabarmati, 25 kilometers from the capital of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, also known as the Twin City. Mayor of Ahmedabad is Bijal Patel. you can see that this is the Motera Stadium located in Ahmedabad. 18 is Surat. Surat have a nominal GDP of 59.8 billion US dollars. Surat is a city in the western Indian state of Gujarat located at the mouth of the Tapti river. It used to be the large seaport. It is now a commercial economic center, South Gujarat, uh, and one of the largest urban areas of the western area, and have a well established diamond and textile industries, and there is a shopping mall center for apparel and accessories, and second largest city in Gujarat after Ahmedabad, and the eighth population agglomeration in India. Administrative capital, the city is located 284 kilometers away. Yes, and India administrative capital located at 284 kilometers, 176 miles. South state capital to Gandhinagar, 265 kilometers, 165 miles south of Ahmedabad, and 289 kilometers, 180 miles of Mumbai. The city center is located Tapti River close to Arabian Sea. As you can see the Surat temple. Now let's move ahead to Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam have a total GDP nominal of 43.5 billion US dollars. Visakhapatnam, formerly known as Visakhapatnam, is the proposed executive capital of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is also the most populated and the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the coast of Bay of Bengal. It is second largest city in India, east coast of India after Chennai, and also the fourth largest city in India, in South India. Mayor of Visakhapatnam is Golagani Hari Venkata Kumari. You can see this is the Visakhapatnam's monument. This video may be possible because of Google, Wikipedia and Hello Travel. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe me. Okay, bye.